0.1 divided by 0.1. So look here, divisor, that is denominator, is a power of 10. 10, 100,000 is a power of 10, but these are greater than 1. But point 0.1, point 0.01, point 0.001, these are also the power of 10, but these are less than 1. So to divide this decimal by this power of 10, you need to move decimal place to the right, equal to the number of place after decimal. So after decimal, here we have one place, so decimal will move to the right one place. That is, we are getting this 1 point means 1, 1. So answer is 1.